Thanks for joining us this week on Sailing on LaVenture. We head to Stella Maris, Long Island to prep LaVenture and head back home to South Carolina. We visit the Exumas this week. We head over to Georgetown and visit our favorite stores and breakfast spot.
We're going to
I
have
make
about
water.
90 gallons in a few hours.
And then it's on to Black Point and then Staniel Cay. We head up to O'Brien Key for the aquarium and have an incredible dive over the reef. Thanks for joining us. Our adventure starts now. We all fly into Stella Maris, Long Island, Bahamas, and spend a few days prepping LaVenture and enjoying the natural beauty of Long Island. We are ready. LaVenture is prepped, and it's time to head off to Georgetown.
Mine's pretty exclusive, and we're so lucky because we have the whole restaurant to ourselves. Lana and Doug are here in line, and Lana and I have had to wear our hats the whole time because they don't have anything covering the windows, and it's been pretty bright and sunny and warm, but it's nice in there. So we're gonna have a great dinner. Here is Mike's grouper. Oh, look at this grouper. Here's the truffle fries. Here's the zucchini. Wow. Pretty great presentation. You know what? I used to know I found it. Okay, so where are we going this morning?
Breakfast. We're going to Georgetown and breakfast and Sandpiper.
Here we are.
This first one right here? Yeah.
The Exuma Market grocery store just has an amazing selection. Just rows of food and beverage and fruit and vegetables. It's a great stop, great place to provision on your way to explore the rest of the Exumas. Then it's off for a walk along the water in Georgetown. We're headed towards Sandpiper Pizza and Coffee Buffet.
You guys close the door, please.
We haven't had a stop yet. Take one.
How you guys doing this morning? Good. The menu is sloppy first. We're over pastries, okay?
I'm sorry.
No pastries.
No pastries.
We then head over to Lisa's favorite store in Georgetown, Sandpiper. Just incredible clothes, and I want to get some children's books for Max.
I think she's allergic to
Then it's off next door to Peace and Plenty's pool bar to cool off and hydrate, and then back to LaVenture.
So, Doug, do you feel any better after our conversations tonight?
Thumbs up. I love it.
How do you really feel?
I feel great. Thank you.
No.
I love this seat.
Ask him if he can get up out of that seat.
I'm not going to. I don't
I'm
want
not
him to
gonna
drive.
I'm staying here.
Doug, I'm going to roll you over, put a baby on you, and that's your bed. And then you know what? I don't have to sleep with you on the bed like this.
What the heck?
I'm sleeping like this.
It sounds like you and like it.
Mike, how do you feel about tonight?
I between the bruised legs and the the leprosy, I'm just staying at this end of the.
Okay, what spots are you referring to? Oh gosh, Lana and Doug are the best sports in the history of mankind.
We arrived the beautiful bay of Black Point. We just take in the beautiful turquoise clear water. We get LaVenture anchored solidly in some sand and make some plans to head to Lorraine's and, most important, have dinner at the Yacht Club. It's Mother's Day 2026.
What have you gotten done today?
Oh, we got the watermaker running. We're
So-
producing 5 gallons per minute, so we're going to have about 90 gallons in a few hours.
So do you feel a lot lighter? We got battery and we got water, right?
Yeah.
And we got lots of sun. Mike's
Beautiful.
enjoying it.
Running water through it. You have to keep putting fresh water in and keep fresh water moving.
Yeah, it stays really nice.
It stays nice. When it sits, it's a problem.
Yeah, like Mike said, you gotta use stuff or lose it, right?
That is so true.
So we're making water today. This is kind of an exciting day. Got the water maker working. It's a joint effort because we have the discharge go into the bilge, the sample water, and we have to wait 10 minutes because we had a pickle to get the fresh water, and then we tested it and even drank it, and it was awesome. So more drinkable water via our Cruise RO water maker. We got the generator running, so we got plenty of power. In about 3 hours, we're gonna have 90 gallons of water. So it's pretty awesome.
Come get my box. It's awesome.
Yeah, look at this water. Yacht Club.
And we are having fish burgers. Really
are the nurse sharks feeding right here below my feet. They're actually trying food.
Okay, so Lana, what do you think of Staniel Cay Yacht Club?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, and why do you think it's awesome?
Well, the water is so clear, the people are so good, and the drinks are awesome.
Yeah, and the people watching is really good too.
Yeah.
I've never seen some little crazy bikini dog. Okay, let's hand this around and you can say what you like about Staniel Cay.
About what? Staniel Cay. It's a great harbor. There's lots of fun boats to look at. Doggone it, it's been nice people.
The nurse sharks at the fish clean dock are pretty big and awesome.
Yeah, and I love it because it's one of Kenny Chesney's bars at the end of the world to us. So, hey Craig, we missed you. We're having a great time.
So, hi, we had each other in 1970. Yeah.
How many years ago is that?
I don't know, 4 years to 19.
We need 2 more sligs of an old bus and
Yes.
and we might help
Help
each
each
other.
other now.
Oh my God.
Well, this is Staniel Cay, and I don't know if it gets much better than this. I cannot believe the boats you can see here. Look at these gorgeous boats. Beautiful boats. They get better as you're going out here. Look at how big this is. This is like a Golden Pond overboard boat. Pretty fancy. And the owners are super nice. Okay, hey Captain, is this just a minor setback? Is this something that's passing through?
Yeah, we just have a little squall.
Just a little minor squall.
You can see the sun and light on the other side.
Whoa, I can't believe that boat is going out there in this. Jeez Louise. This is why that 70-foot boat was coming in.
It's not big waves, it's just high wind.
Okay, so what Mike just said is relative to everything. These are not big waves, so it's nothing to get alarmed by. Like what?
It'll be okay, it'll be okay.
Oh my gosh, and look at this boat has doesn't have any fear. It's going right into the storm. What is this? Do they not see the perfect storm? Oh my gosh, look at these waves. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at this boat rocking. So guys, what are we doing here today?
Trying to be Lisa and her games that she's a professional.
While we wait out a race.
Yeah. And we're waiting on Mom to get out of the youngest.
I know I'm reading my book. I'm deep in a book right now. But anyway, we are playing tens.
And this is May 14th, 2026.
Oh my gosh. Almost half the year is over now. We got to really pack it in every day. So
After playing some cards, we have cocktails aboard LaVenture at Staniel Cay and open Bruce's wine. It was awesome. Thanks so much. Home of the Aquarium. This has got to be one of my most favorite places in all of the Bahamas to anchor. It's so beautiful, and you're protected on all sides by keys, and perfect place to make water as well as we watch a storm, afternoon storm, move in.
Trouble, it will find you. It's behind you. It always is. Unfold from my mind.
So it is 7:57, and this is our evening. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty here. Maybe those skies seem so big and beautiful and red just because there's nothing else going on out here. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so where are we going? And tell us about the experience, Randy.
Aquarium is a very famous snorkeling spot in the Bahamas. In fact, number one snorkeling spot in the Bahamas. So much fish concentrated in such a small area.
I don't know. It looks pretty rough out here. Well, can we get further away, closer to them, or what? Like a mermaid. Look at that. Look how nice and slim she is in that. And Mike, we all made it back on the dinghy.
Yes.
It was a bit of an effort for everyone, but we all got on it, right, Randy?
We are at Norman's Key, just off the beach on the leeward side of the island near Macduff's, and we're anchored in this crystal, well, I guess it's aqua water. I mean, it's like a swimming pool. You can see right to the bottom. We're in about 7 feet of water, and it's just gorgeous. You can kind of see the rain behind us though, because we're going to get some squalls overnight, but we're positioned perfectly for them, I think. They're coming from the northeast.
So it's one of our, well, We got a few more days in the Bahamas.
Yeah, we do.
We had a great time, and we are still playing. We have ongoing games of Splendor that we love. So these are the beautiful sunsets.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my gosh, I just woke up from a nap. We went through this big, huge storm where we were just wondering if it was going to hit our mast. And that was about a couple hours ago. And now we are in Nassau. And look at this beautiful bay we're in. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Can't believe the sun is out. So exciting. Okay, I'm gonna take you over here. Look at this. What's going on?
We're anchoring in Clifton Bay.
Oh my gosh. The bay is gorgeous. And actually today it's prettier than I am.
Now we have 75 down.
How deep is it here?
9 feet. Saw some really yellow markers, you know, that are expected between the same length between the three of them.
Oh.
You know, and maybe it was 75 feet down. I don't know. But anyway, next time when you're at the anchor, watch for those little yellow markers.
Well. Good job, Mike. Good job, Doug.
Pristine water all around us, so I make more water. Fill our tank back up to 100%.
There you go.
Okay, so what are we playing?
Splendor in the grass.
Splendor in the grass. Here we are. Here's our game.
Oh, you're video recording.
We're video recording, and then we can get all kinds of good pictures on this. But what do you like about Splendor, Doug?
I like that I never win because I don't want to get a big head.
Mike, what do you like about Splendor?
The constant bickering is really pleasant.
And Lana, is this your favorite game?
Well, I like that Mother is teaching us how to play the game. And we are actually improving.
And just like mothers and children, my children never listen to me.
There you go. It sounds like everybody's having a good time.
And boys and dad, today it's May 16th. See you in the future.
Oh, it's almost over. We had such a good time.
Nice work. Wonderful.
Yeah, Captain Randy, Captain Mike. Okay, look over here one more time. Okay.
Thanks to a great island crew. We really enjoyed, as always, having Mike aboard, and Lana and Doug joined us for this leg, and we had a great trip. A lot of Splendor, a lot of tens played. We had squally conditions, but just great summer sail. Join us next week as we head offshore, and Alina joins us. So it's Lisa and Alina for their first offshore passage. It's so much fun. Join us next week.